DXW is a web agency who are public sector web specialists, so we specialise in delivering digital services for public sector clients.
I had a contracting gig at the Cabinet Office doing similar work to what we do now, and it became quite clear that an agile approach was something they didn't really understand. It was also something they wanted, and I thought I was in a good position to help them do it.
Actually, as a developer here, it's really unique the way we work with certain platforms, so the custom solutions we build are really interesting, and we're constantly trying to give back to the open source community as well as using stuff from that community, which is, to me, the best part of working as a developer.
We have a pretty good culture. I think lots of companies in this sector do, but we combine that culture with actually doing some work for the public good, which I think is unusual.
We're quite laid back people. It's about what's inside you and not what you wear and how you present yourself a lot of the time, which is cool. They're very open to new ideas, new ways of doing things, playing, experimenting, seeing things work.
We have a very equal say here. We're a flat organisation essentially, so we try not to have too much of a hierarchy where one person's view is more important than others.
We really believe that we come together and collaborate on projects, and everybody's voice is worth just as much as the other person's. We believe in valuing expertise that our developers have and our user researchers have, talking to the clients as equals.
It's surprising the amount that you can get done with few people who can work well and who have all of their ideas sort of put forward and shared and collaborated and worked on. It's really impressive.
We celebrate everyone's birthdays with company lunches.
Every year you get to choose the conference of your choice. If you're interested in something, that you can go and find out and learn about that. One of the things that we are going to do soon is go on a retreat, which we do every year, and we're going to use that time to have fun, maybe do some archery, and then we're going to kind of talk about how DXW is working, and everyone has a chance to contribute to what we're going to do over the next year to make DXW an even better place to work.
During the recruitment process, at least 4 people will meet the candidate in the first 2 interviews, and then we have a work simulation day where the person will come in and spend either a half day for a non-technical role or a full day with us. We'll have as many people interact with them in that time as possible. This means that we get to see more of the candidate's personality, and they get to see more of our personalities in the way that we work.
I think growth in the future is going to carry on along the same lines. You know, as we win business, we're going to need to grow the team to deliver it. But I think growth in itself isn't really an ambition in its own right. I don't want the company to get too big, so it's about finding the right number that helps us achieve what we're trying to do.
DXW is extremely aware and conscious of how it's growing and how not to produce invisibility in work teams so that everyone is valued or has some active input into something, and there's lots of consultations and discussions, and it's very open.
Certainly we like people who have more than one sort of arrow in their quiver.
We also believe in everyone getting involved in the different aspects of the delivery of projects. So we have developers who get involved in user research. We have user researchers getting kind of involved in design sprints and those kind of things. And then this way we get kind of what we like to call polyglot devs and polyglot user researchers, and sometimes polyglot kind of delivery managers, where we have quite a broad range of skills.
To succeed at DXW, you just need to be passionate about what you do. You need to enjoy your work and just come in with that willingness to learn and to work on things with other people.
I really enjoy working with everyone on the team. We've got a lot of great experience here. A lot of people really passionate about the work that they do, and it's a real pleasure to come to work every day and work with these types of people.